So prove that 10C3 plus 10C4 is equals to 11C4. So how to prove that? First we take the LHS. From LHS we have to prove the RHS. Okay. So now I am taking the LHS. Taking the LHS, that is 10C3 plus 10C6. Okay. So now this is equals to 10C3. I am writing as it is plus 10C3 writing as this 6. Okay, in place of 6 I am writing 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6. How we are getting this? So here we have one formula. Okay, so NCR is equals to NC N minus R. These two are equal. N minus R and R are equal. So 10 minus 6 and 6. Okay, so when we keep the when we replace the 6 with 10 minus 6, then also they are equal. Then also they are equal. Okay, so now here, so this is equals to 10C3 writing as it is plus 10C 10 minus 6. What is 10 minus 6? 10 minus 6 is 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay, and we have another formula here. So the formula is NCR plus NC R minus 1 is equals to N both are equal, so N plus 1. C R and R minus 1. What is the bigger value? R is the bigger value. Write the R value here. Okay. So N plus 1 CR. This is the formula here. Understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now we are going to apply these. Okay, formula here. If we apply this, then okay, 10C3 and 10C4. Okay, 10 is common in both. N value is 10, so N plus 1. 10 plus 1 C R and R minus 1. 4 and 4 minus 1 3. Bigger value is 4, so write the 4 here. Okay, 10 plus 1. What is 10 plus 1? 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 C4. Is it equal to RHS or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So this is only the required RHS. Therefore, okay, so 10C3 plus 10C6 is equals to 11C4. Okay, they are equal. They are equal. Okay. So and after that, here we have another question. Find the value of 10C5 plus 2 into 10C4 plus 10C3. Okay. All these are the 2 marks questions, very short answer questions. So here 10C5 plus 2 into 10C4 plus 10C3. Okay, this is equals to 10C5 plus 2 into 10C4 is 10C4 plus 10C4. Write it as 10C4 plus 10C4 plus 10C3 is as it is. Okay, now here we can apply the formula. Okay, so 10C4, 10C3, 10C4, 10C5. For these, we can apply the previous formula, whatever we written here. Okay, so this formula we can apply. So that means 10CR plus NCR. Okay, so 10 is nothing but N. Okay, NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equals to N plus 1 CR, bigger value. Whatever we have the bigger, so that bigger value will take. That bigger value will take. Okay, so now if we apply the formula, N value is 10, so 10 plus 1 C R and R minus 1. 5 and 5 minus 1, write the 5 here. Bigger value. Here 10, 10 same, so 10 plus 1 C. R values are 4 and 3. Bigger is 4, so write the 4. Okay. Once observe carefully, 10 plus 1, 11, 10 plus 1, 11. So 11, 11 are equal. So 11 plus 1 C. 5 and 4. So bigger is 5, write the 5. So 11 plus 1 is 12, 12C5. What is the value here? 12C5 is the
25.
required solution. 12C5 is the required solution.
Required solution.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, so now we'll go to the next question. Find a number of
Sir,
diagonals
once
of a
go back, no,
polygon.
sir.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Sir, how did 10 plus 1 plus 10, 10 plus 1 become 11 plus 1, sir? There.
So here 10 plus 1 is 11. 11C5 plus 11C4. 11C5,
Okay.
11C4. Okay. So I am applying this formula once again. Applying the formula once again.
Okay.
Okay. If you apply the formula once again, here n value is 11. 11 means n plus 1 means 11 plus 1. C.
Okay, sir.
Okay, R and R minus 1, we write R bigger value. So 5 is a bigger value, so we are writing 5.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir. But if it becomes 10 plus 1 C4 and plus 10 plus 1 C5?
Here in the previous step.
Yeah.
So, are you asking?
Yeah, if the terms becomes no, sir.
Two terms becomes
Down,
one term.
sir. After you wrote the formula, you the first step after you wrote the formula.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Instead of the first term, second term, and instead of the second term, first term, yeah. If they give.
Here 10C5, 10C4. Okay. So
Okay.
10, 10 equal. N values are equal. R and R minus 1. 5 and 5 minus 1. Okay. When we have two consecutive numbers, then we apply this formula. Okay. These two numbers becomes one number. Okay. 10 plus 1 C. Bigger value is 5. So we write 5.
I understood, sir.
Yes.
I'm asking that if 10C4 comes first, then how, sir?
10C4?
Instead of 10C5 plus 10C4, if it comes 10C4 plus 10C5, still the same answer will come.
Yes, yes, same answer. Why? Because bigger value will take the bigger value.
Okay.
So then R value is 5 only. Okay, so it may be we have 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 only. 3 plus 2 also 5 only, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So in addition, okay, so the terms, okay, 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1, A plus B or B plus A. Okay, they are equal. They are equal. Okay. So no change in that. Okay. Shall we go to next question? Are any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay, nice. Okay, so we'll go to next question here. Now, find the number of diagonals of a polynomial with 12 sides. With 12 sides. Here, we had polynomial. Okay, how many sides are there? How many sides? Number of sides. Number of sides is equals to n is equals to 12. N is equals to 12. We have to find the what we are going to find diagonals. We are going to find the diagonals. So number of diagonals. Number of diagonals is equals to formula we have n into n minus 3 by 2 is the formula. N into n minus 3 by 2. Okay. So n value is 12. So 12 into 12 minus 3 divided by 2. Okay. So we can cancel by 2 table or okay. So 2 ones are 2 6 are. Okay. So that becomes 6 into 12 minus 3. How much it is? 9. Okay. 6 into 9. How much? What is the value of 6 into 9?
9 and I didn't understand,
54.
sir. What was it?
54.
9 into 6.
Yes.
9 into 6, 54.
Okay, yes, this is the required answer. Okay, so if you want, you can check the Okay, for 4 sides, if we take n is equal to 4. Okay, so what is the 4 into 4 minus 3 divided by 2? 2 ones are 2 twos are. So that means 2 into 4 minus 3 is 1, 2 ones are 2. 2 diagonals. When we have 4 sides, how many diagonals are possible? 1 diagonal, 2 diagonals.
2.
Okay, like this we have to
Yeah.
find the number of diagonals, like pentagon. Okay, so if we take the pentagon, so this is a pentagon. So for this, how many diagonals are there? Okay, so we can find out these. Okay, so here 1 diagonal, 2 diagonals, and 3 diagonals.
3 diagonals.
Pentagon, 3 diagonals. You can check the formula. Okay, n is equal to 3. So substitute 3 here. 3 into 3 minus, no, 5. N is equal to 5. 5 sides. Sides are
Okay.
5. So 5 into 5 minus 3 by 2. So that is nothing but 5 into 5 minus 3 is 2 by 2. Okay.
Okay, sir. Into.
Okay. So 5 into.
Okay.
10 into n minus 3 by 2. When we have 12 sides, 12. If we have 4 sides, we substitute 4. If we have 5 sides, we substitute 5. 5 into 5 minus 3 by 2. 2 to cancel. So we are getting 5. Is it possible to get the 5 pentagon?
Yes, sir. Uh, I think, yeah.
Okay. So
Okay.
here when we have 5 also, we are getting 5 diagonals. So pentagon. So one diagonal, 2 diagonal, 3 diagonal, 4 diagonal, 5 diagonal. Okay. So we are getting in the shape of star shape. Okay.
Okay.
So this part, the complete part is the rough work. Okay.
I had to do the rough work also when I write.
No. So just for better understanding, I explained to you.
Okay.
Okay. So in the exam, not compulsory. Rough work is not compulsory. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So next, 9C3 plus 9C5 is equal to 10CR. Then find R. So take the LHS. LHS is equals to 9C3 plus 9C5. 9C3 plus 9C5. Okay. So now here we are using the formula. Okay. So what formula we can take here? Okay. So 9C R NCR. Okay. NCR is equals to NC N minus R. I am taking this formula here now. Taking this formula. Okay. If we take this formula, then what we get? First one is as it is. First one is as it is plus 9C5. 9C5 we can write it as 9C9 minus 5. So this is equal to 9C3 plus 9C4. Again, now we can apply the another formula. So these 3 and 4 both are consecutive numbers. Both are consecutive numbers.
Okay.
When we have the consecutive numbers, 3 and 4, okay, then we can apply the formula again. 9, 9 same, so 9 plus 1, C, 3 and 4, which is bigger value in this? 4 is the bigger. So
4.
take the 4. Take the 4. Okay. So which formula we applied here? What is the formula? Okay. So NCR plus NC NCR minus 1. 1 is 2 are the consecutive values. R values are consecutive values. Then add 1 to N C and write the bigger R value. Okay. So that means 10 plus 1. What is 10 plus 1? 9 plus 1, 10. 10C4. So 10C4 is the required solution. Okay. But he gave as 10CR.
Okay.
Given the question. So given. Okay. So 10C4 just now we got it. but already it is given as 10C4, 10C R.
4.
10C4 is
Okay.
equals to 10CR. Then what is the R value? Therefore, the value of R is 4. The value of R is 4. Understood?
4. Yes.
Any doubt? So find the number of ways of selecting 4 boys and 3 girls out of 8 boys and 5 girls. So here, from 8 boys, we are selecting 4 boys. Okay.
Okay.
Selecting 4 boys from 8 boys. From 8 boys is equal to 8C4 ways. 8C4 ways. And from 5 girls, we are selecting 3 girls. Okay, we are selecting 3 girls. From how many girls? From 5 girls. How many ways are possible? Here, selection, the word when you see selection, it is a combination, right? C. When you observe any word, arrangement, arranging. Okay, so write P. It is a permutation. It is a permutation. Okay, so here from 5 girls, you are selecting only 3 girls. Okay, from 5 girls, you are selecting only 3 girls. So how many ways are possible? 5C3 ways are possible. So now, what is total? What is total? Total number of ways, 8C4 into 5C3 ways are possible. 8C4 into 5C3 ways are possible. 8C4, what is 8C4? What is 5C3? Simplify here. How do we simplify? 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. 5, okay, so up to 5 we are writing, means 4 numbers. When if we have 8C4, R value 4, so 4 numbers in the descending order divided by 4 factorial. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 5C3, same like that only. Okay, 3 numbers in the descending order, 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 3 factorial, 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, so now simplification part. Okay, so 4 2s are 8, 8 cancel, 3 1s are 3 2s are, okay, 6. Okay, so 3 3 cancel and 2 1s are 2 2s are. Okay, whatever we have the remaining, so write it now. 7 and 2 and 5 in the first term, and in the next one is 5 and 2. Okay, 2 5s are 10, 5 2s are 10. 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 7, 700. 700 ways are possible. How many ways? It's looking like very simple, very small. Okay. How many ways are possible for selecting?
700.
Okay, 700 ways are possible. Okay. So just note down